Hi, Miss Talbert here with another math video helper for you. And today we're going to be looking at order of operations, also known as PEMDAS, or you might remember back in the day, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Well, for order of operations, I mean the order, it's everything. If you just do one little thing in the wrong order, the entire problem will be wrong. So it's super important to follow each step. So right here we have our P, and that stands for parentheses. So looking at my equation over here, I can quickly see that where my parentheses are, and I have to solve everything inside the parentheses first. So 6 minus 3 would be 3, so I'm going to rewrite that underneath. So I like to have the kids cross it out just so they know that they completed that one part, that one step, and then I have them write the rest of the equation again. A lot of the kids try and skip the step of writing it down and simplifying, and it's really important for them to get the steps right each time writing it out. Next comes exponents. Good news is in 5th grade, we do not do exponents. However, I do want the students to know that the exponents go there because it's going to help 6th grade out tremendously next year. So they just need to know where it belongs, but we don't have exponents. So we'll skip on to multiplication and division, our M and our D. And here's where I see mistakes a lot. It's whichever one comes first. They think because the M is listed first that they have to multiply first. Well, that's not true. And so let's take a look over here. For example, if I look over here, here's my multiplication and division symbols, but my division is listed first, and it's always left to right. So this is what I'm actually going to solve first. Big difference. I have the kids actually box the two numbers that go with that operation. And so next we would say 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Once again, once I've done it, I have them just kind of cross it out, and they rewrite the rest of their equation. So now, as you can see, as we go through, it's getting smaller and smaller. We are simplifying it down, and eventually it's going to look like a reverse pyramid. Now, next I'm going to look over here, and so we still are on multiplication division, whichever one comes first. Well, we've done our division already, but we still do have a multiplication symbol that we're going to address next. I like to have them box the two numbers that go next to the symbol so they know exactly what they're doing. So we'll say 3 times 3, which is 9. I'll have them cross that out. I bring the rest of my equation down. So now I simply have 2 plus 9. We'll look over here. We have addition and subtraction. Once again, it's whichever one comes first. And in this case, there is not subtraction, there is only addition. So pretty simple from here. We'll say 2 plus 9 is 11. And our final answer for our order of operations, simplifying all the way down, would be 11. But the big thing to hit here is to remember that it's whichever one comes first when we're doing our multiplication, division, or our addition and subtraction, and really reminding our kiddos of that. But just in case you needed a little refresher, and that is how we do our order of operations, and I hope this helps, and have a great rest of the evening.